Hi, I'm Kirsty. I'm the local area coordinator for Neath Pontardawe Council. Through being in the community, I've recently been working with 8 individual ladies who have gone through different traumas and experiences in their lives through domestic violence, to loss of family members, and some of them haven't left the house for over 20 years or 5 years. So my role then is to meet them, to get to know the person and to help build up their confidence to come back out into the community. And we had a chat and they all wanted to try something new. So we spoke to Katie from the Woodland Wellbeing session she's running with Small Woods, and we thought it would be a great idea to get these ladies who haven't been outside, take out their comfort zone a little bit, but to try something new.
Taking time and then you start to see.
The first day we met at the bottom of the plantation, they hadn't been outside, they hadn't been on walks. We did the walk up through the woods and the plantation, which was very difficult, but they were so supportive to each other, waiting for each other, helping each other just to get up to the space to start the sessions. So already you could see that team building with each other, and they've all said it's all been down to going out the comfort zone and being outdoors. It's just been a whole change of their life for them.
I try and think how long something is and then add a year for COVID.
My name's Carly Williams. I've recently moved to the area. I was subjected to domestic violence relationship. I moved from my current home of 7 years to escape that. So it's been very difficult, especially with the pandemic. Coming here to a new area on my own with my daughter, feeling totally alone, to be honest. And this group is the only thing that I've got something to do for myself, because I'm trying to find myself again. So this has greatly helped.
I don't want to be struggling with the wood. Okay.
But the activities are fantastic, really therapeutic, to be honest. I've enjoyed the willow weaving. We had the herbalist on the first few sessions where we learn about plants and things like that, how they're useful for medicines and stuff. It's just nice having to learn something new and know that you can learn something new too. And the group then itself has just been support, knowing, yes, if I'm really down or somebody's at the end of the phone or something for you. And these kind of things really do benefit people like myself and others, to be honest.
I came to the group because I suffer with mental health myself, where I'd have my down days and just live in bed, and I just didn't want to know, shut the world away. I thought the world was against me, and I came to this group hoping to get out and build my confidence, and which it has a massive impact. I'm not alone anymore, and I feel wanted and stuff, if that makes sense.
Some of them have lived in the area for 40 years plus, some are new to the area, but nobody actually knew this place existed, and they've said it's like a magical woodland, and from in the middle of a town, just a short walk up through the plantation, 5 minutes, and you're in these green surroundings. They want to carry on coming to these sessions every Thursday if they could in the woods. So we're looking at further funding, hopefully to run the winter woodland sessions and do some seasons to introduce other people in the area then, or if you will benefit from these and expand from that.